Yo, what's up guys? It's me Boris and welcome in today's trade recap. Today is 25th of November 2025 and I took 3 trades today. Overall it was a good day. I ended up making big profits. I just made a mistake in the first trade and honestly it was a mistake that I didn't know about, so it was just a lesson today and I'm glad it happened and I'm glad I realized something new. So basically the first trade that I took was the short on Nasdaq at market open, but we had this major liquidity right here. So I entered shorts before we sweep it, and now we immediately reverse and stop me out. Big mistake that I made was not closing it here after a bad closure, but closing it right here. This was emotional mistake and it cannot happen. Uh, it's, something like this will be very bad long term. But what was seeing for the last couple of months was that a lot of the times the first trade that I was taking was correct in bias, just the entry was bad. So, I would enter, the trade would stop me out, and then we would go in my direction. And today I realized why that was happening. It was because those liquidities. So what I'm gonna do from now is I'll be marking out not the levels, but the liquidity as a level. And I will be waiting for 2 pushes below the liquidity. And just like here, we got 1 push. Here we got a huge retrace and everything, but we finally get second push, and that's where I should enter. It should be my first entry. And then boom, boom, we sold down. I was targeting the low of this fair value gap, the end of this fair value gap, but I kinda moved my take profit a little bit lower because we sweep it, then reversed, and just like I didn't close it in time I should be closing. So yeah, this is a very valuable lesson if you're also trading this strategy. Uh, Save it somewhere. Okay. And the first trade that I took today was short on Dow Jones. So basically what happened at market before market open is that we flew to the upside nearly, let's see, over 300 points. And when things like this happen, we nearly always get a big retrace. So this is kind of a reversal strategy. And yeah, I was in the short on Nasdaq. And once I closed the trade, I looked at Dow Jones and I saw that we started to push down. So I immediately entered with lower size. I mean, I entered with my normal size, but once I realized I was a little bit oversized, I closed like 1.5 contracts earlier, basically at break even. And I was targeting just some level. If you look at 5-minute charts here, we kind of have a level. And also the beginning, the start of this fair value gap. So yeah, very easy day actually. I made 1.5k today. It should have been a lot more because I lost over $2,000 on this trade, which this trade shouldn't even be taken. Uh, but I'm still learning, and this day is very valuable for me. I learned a lot today and still made profits. So basically a perfect day for me. I mean, not perfect, but the most valuable day for me. So yeah, the main thing today is to not be taking trades after a liquidity sweep. And that's it. Peace, guys.